I'm here at Magic Kingdom, and if you've ever wanted to know what the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique is like, check out this video. We're looking at it today for my daughter's birthday.
Your whole hand, oh my gosh. You might not believe this, Roland, but I was 5 when I was your age. It's crazy, I know. Here you go.
Perfect. And Tim will be with you guys shortly. Okay?
Cool. Thank you so much. When you first check in at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique, you're going to get a tablet, and that's going to have all the makeover options, and your little one gets a chance to scroll through all the amazing dresses. And trust me when I say there are a lot of options. The Carriage package starts at $99.95, includes makeup, nail polish, a face gem, a sash, and even a Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique shirt. The Castle package is $199 and adds everything from the Carriage package, plus a Disney princess gown, necklace, and accessory set. The Deluxe Castle package is $229.95 and it upgrades the gown and accessories to deluxe versions. And for the ultimate fairy tale, there's the Princess Signature Dress package at $450. This includes an heirloom quality princess gown with intricate details, a crystal tiara, a satin hanger, and organza garment bag, plus hairstyling, makeup, sash, cinch bag, and nail polish. And they even have little night packages for the little boys at $19.95 with hair gel, confetti, and a sword, or you can upgrade to a deluxe night package at $79, and that includes the full costume. This is by far the best Disney experience I've ever had for my little ones. It was priceless and it was so valuable, and the cast members put so much love and effort into it. I highly recommend.
Right over here and find your chest.
What do you think? No, she wears a shirt and pants. So this is a shirt and pants just like Jasmine's. Do you like it? You do? Is this the one you want to try on? Yeah, I love it. Okay, and then we have more, look. Whoa, so these are hair pieces. So we put them in your hair. Yeah, you're right. That is kind of silly, right? Did you want it to be the puppy princess? Bark, bark. No. Oh, I remember what you wanted. Wait, you wanted a bun, kind of like this, right? But clearly much prettier than that bun, right? Yeah, I can't do your hair without a lot of magic potions. So can we pretend this is a really pretty bun? Okay, perfect. So we'll do a beautiful bun, and then we'll put your tiara up here, and your diamond making clip goes back here. How's that sound? That sound good? Yeah. Okay. Now before you, are you guys trying to scare me? Oh, are you guys trying to do this? Ready? Okay. Boom. No. What? Oh wait, is that the magic words? Oh, is it Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo, Brooklyn? Oh, sorry, I forgot that. How could I forget the magic words? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo. Can we say it together at the count of 3? But can you say it as loud as you can, Brooklyn? Okay, you ready? Go ahead, look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo.
Oh, you're growing as fast as a pumpkin. Now today is a special day for you. So let's get things started with your routine. What did I do with that magic wand? Let's see. Now don't you dear? Bibbidi Bobbidi Boo!
You look like Jasmine already.
Hi, Princess Brooklyn. It's lovely to meet you today. My name's Inez, and I'm going to be your fairy godmother apprentice in the costume today. You excited? Yeah, shall we head over together, royal family? Gorgeous. Come this way. Bye, Brooklyn. Here, do we need an umbrella?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Do we need a second umbrella? Do you think? That's your sister? She's the eldest? How many are you? 500. How many are you turning? 500? Oh, high five, high five. Oh, that's really solid high five. I love that. Are you here for the Halloween? Well, she did go on 7 Doors Mine Train today, so maybe she got something on. Oh my gosh, you're going to go 7 Doors Mine Train? Yeah.
What can I tell you about this? We're very special, very cool, very sparkly princess pixie polish. It is made out of pixie dust. Is that? How many fingernails do you have on your hand? And how many on your other hand?
Do you know how many she's turning today?
How many? Okay. So what if we just gave you 555 wishes?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing! Now you have a wish. A nice little teal. Now can you close your eyes for me? I don't want to fall into sleep because you're not dressed as Sleeping Beauty, and that would be really silly if you fell asleep, right?
Yeah, that'd be Oh my goodness, that is very silly.
So no falling asleep because I don't want to have to call Pascal and get you a really sticky, slimy ear. It's not called sticky, shimmering, and splendid. It's called... And she says the more you smile, you can go and laugh today, the rosier your cheeks are going to get. And I have some lip gloss too. I've got red, pink, and pixie dust. Red, okay. Now I have another princess promise you need to make me. Can you promise that you will go kissing and eat froggies with these shiny red lips?
Oh, we don't want to go kiss frogs.
You don't have to kiss frog.
Wait, what happened?
Do you feel a princess pop? Perfect. Well, when you kiss a frog, what do you think? Should that be called Twinkle Toes? Yeah?
Beautiful.
Awesome.
My hair's shiny, shimmery, and splendid now.
Oh, I picked out this beautiful butterfly gem for you. I think we should put it on your bibbidi, your bobbidi. No, I have an idea. What if we did Babu?
Oh, I don't think we should put it on the boo.
Why not?
What happens if she goes and chew? It'll fly.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Achoo!
It's my grandma.
Oh no! So what do you think? The bibbidi side or the bobbidi side? The bibbidi side? Well, that's your right side. The princess is always right. So
And then the other rule is we do not kiss frogs. But the number one rule, aside from that, is that we always have to ask our king and queen for permission, right? Yeah, we don't play with glittery makeup unless we ask our parents. Is that true? Yeah, we don't play with it otherwise. What? Maybe you can ask your big sister for help washing your hands. Do you think you can guess the magic words I might use when I make a bar?
Say before.
Bibbidi bobbidi. That's right. When we make a verb, we say bibbidi bobbidi. To have your own very special mini bar. Did you love it? Yeah. Now let's pop this over your head to make it super perfect. Oh, good job, beautiful birthday girl. Now, just sit up nice and tall. And our princess pin this, so it stays all the way till midnight. Do you think you'll be up till midnight like Cinderella was? No. Oh my gosh, we need our beauty sleep, right? Yeah. Now, princess, I was thinking, would you like some pixie dust? Yes. Would you like a little bit or a lot? Dreams and wishes forever and always come true. Bobbidi. Beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
So sparkly. Big Bobbidi. Look at you. Oh my goodness. Wow. Do you love it? Yes, now should we have a closer look at your beautiful makeup? Yeah. Have a look at here, beautiful girl. Woo! Look at all that beautiful makeup you have on. And that pixie dust. Shall we have a look at the special surprise I popped in the back as well? Okay. Is that Mickey Mouse? Do you know why he's back there? Because Mickey's always got your back. Attention royal family, it is my honor to present all the way from her magic carpet ride Niagara, Princess Jasmine! Yay! Beautiful Princess Jasmine, would you like to? I would do big royal waves side to side. I would do a princess parade right after your stall. Do you want to follow me? We'll be following Jasmine. Yeah, do big royal waves at the floor. We're going to say 5 castles, 5 castles. Beautiful Now inside your bag we have your very own princess makeup palette, as well as your gorgeous polish. Maybe you can share this with your sisters. What do you think? Yeah. Now inside of this box I did get you some pumpkin seeds. Can you hear them? Yeah. I was thinking you could turn these into a carriage for me to do. You can do that. Do you know the magic words? Whoa, look what you did. What did you turn it into? A carriage, that's right. Now this is a special carriage necklace which means you can wear it on your neck, but I'm going to pop it in here, okay? For safekeeping. Would you like to carry this bag today? You would? Can I make a princess size for you as well? Oh, thanks Princess for hanging out with me today. I had the best day ever with you. I hope you have a magical rest of your birthday, okay? It was lovely seeing you. Are you ready?
Did you get over here by Magic Flying Carpet? Yeah. Alright, that's Are you all readers? Yes. What kind of books do you want? Oh, so something a little bit scary. I wasn't chosen one, and I'm on the one about Princess Jasmine with her Magic Flying Carpet, huh? Maybe if you're willing to, we could all read a very happy story together, huh? Maybe.
Thank you so much for watching and coming along as we celebrated my daughter's 5th birthday at Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. It was such a magical day. If you're planning your Disney trip, don't forget to grab my digital Disney World vacation guide. It's packed with tips, itineraries, dining advice, and everything else you aren't thinking of. Stay tuned for more Disney tour videos, vlogs, and all the cruise and travel stuff I'm gonna do here in the near future, including a collaboration with a certain cruise brand. Stay tuned.